just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide. Hello, good morning, afternoon or good evening. This time we have booked the TUI Blue, the Heaven Ipoh, situated in Ipoh, Malaysia. We have booked a one-bedroom suite with view on the lake, and I will show you our room. When we have the entrance, you see a big, fully equipped kitchen. For us, it's not important. We only stay here for 2 nights, but if you want to cook, it is no problem. Then we have here the minibar. The minibar is fully stuffed, and it will refilled every day till the last day before you depart. Then there is here a big fridge, and then you can store your water over there. Here is the a dining table and the seating area. And then we go to the best part of the room. We are situated on the 20th floor, and we have an amazing view on the hills. We just had a tropical raining, and you can hear the thunder. It's still not very good, the weather. And we have a view on the lake over here, and down you can also see the pool. And then Frank is chilling on the balcony, and then we're going inside, and then we're going to show you what a master bedroom is like. So then we go to this door, and then we have the very spacious room. And this is even bigger than a king-size bed. It's, I think, maybe also a king-size and a queen together, because it's really, really big. Also here we have an amazing view. The windows can be opened, so you can also have fresh air if you would like. But today it's very humid and 37 degrees, so it's advisable to keep the air conditioning on. You have a big closet here, including a safe, where you can store your valuables like your watch or something like that, or your phone. Then we're going to the bathroom. Then we have a big shower, also with a kind of raining shower. The toilet, the sink, and then as separate we have a bath. And the bath is overlooking the sleeping area, but don't worry, you have curtains, you can put them down. So overall it is a very good hotel. Here we have even a little desk. So if you want to work, you can even watch a television. So I hope I got a good idea about what the hotel is look like.
There's more than enough parking space if you rented a car. And one of the buildings is also for residents only. Well, just early morning on our way to our breakfast, enjoying the amazing views from this complex. Hello sir, do you have 2 omelettes please?
With everything, sir?
Thank you. Wow, just amazing. Also those flavors. Wow. Just a small walk.
Wel echt een beetje jumpen.
Everything looks amazing. It's not that huge, but you can have a small walk and it's really amazing. And yeah, they got a T-Rex, they do. Did you like this video? Please like and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you.